The stock market took the first dip yesterday because of Iceland.
We're on the Moontrain!
This is how you become a day trader.
All right, guys, quick recap. Pretty insane day, but it was a pretty good day. Swung calls from here to here, paid 118%, scaled out, but that was not the big banger. The big trades were the swings on MU and SNDK that we caught. Let me show you. It actually had a pretty insane move overnight from here to there, and SNDK as well. Obviously they run in tandem. Memory. Beautiful move though, after all that consolidation in a like controlled sell downtrend to catch this leg. And then the market shit the bed. I was not at the computer when it did, but I did point out 50 times this week that this would be the target down here. And that finally hit into close with a hammer. Did play this leg here though. 90% cash into tomorrow with YOLO deep buys from here. Now, the reason I also took some Tuesday is this. Now, the sell was delayed, can mean that the send-off is delayed. You did manage, here, let me show you. You did manage to put in the highest down volume of the year. Massive down volume. On what? Some AI fears. I'm old enough to remember that last time they said we sold on AI fears. We also reaped back up. So tomorrow, obviously, the elusive, legendary, crusty, cryogenically frozen CPI print, and you got Scott Besant out before then. Personally, I don't think this is AI fear. I think this is a political move with all the talk of Dow Jones and 50,000. Yesterday, BB was in town, left without a press conference, which is new. He got out of town, and I think that this is a signal of that. Trump loves the fact that he's the first one to get it over 50K, and then the whole 50K gate yesterday. I think it has more to do with that than fucking Cisco's earnings, but sure, why not? Let's entertain. What does that have to do with JPM or anything else? Nothing at all, right? So if we don't bounce tomorrow on CPI, this NAMO is gonna be probably bottomed out by end of day Friday, Tuesday latest, if we continue to sell. So if no bounce tomorrow in the morning, we'll have to wait to scoop some more deep on Friday. But again, you got CPI, you got some ghosts. Obviously, we've also gone to test these lows again after hours, and that was bought up. We got this ghost. If we open in here, that's gonna be my target tomorrow. If we open above that, is where it gets really interesting. Hold on, that's where it gets really interesting. Look at that fucker, he's up. Oh, they closed some puts actually. That's where it gets really interesting, because tomorrow the gamma says ding says this 687. All right, that ghost I just showed you is to 686.20. So if we open lower, that's where we're going. If we open above this, you can get to 690. If you get to 690, you got a 3-day weekend. Next week looks kind of jam-packed up here. You'd have to gap up again to then get to that, or you reject and go gap fill. So everything to play for. Huge moves. VIX 1D went to fill the gap I said next time the VIX 1D goes to fill the gap over a week ago, I'm buying a bunch of calls, so kind of did that. What I am looking, and VIX obviously pierced its Bollinger Band, doesn't mean it can't go higher, but it is also a reversal signal. I am personally here through the night watching these 2 hour inside, broke down, 2 hour inside, should break higher, come back test here, and then we see what is going on. So all hands on deck, eyes open, this and that, good shit, very, very interesting. Okay, spicy setup into tomorrow. We'll be doing it live on the Moontrain again. God bless.